I would definitely recommend this Tiriti Workshop because it's just such a safe way to start, and it's just opening the door for you. I really believe in, like, I'm only early on this journey too, and the more I understand about it, it's like opening my mind to things, and it starts answering questions that you've had. Why is this happening? You know, and it starts to make sense of the world, and then you start thinking about, okay, well, here's how we can fix it. You know, so definitely recommend it.